My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Today we will discuss about the verses of the Quran, chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, verses from 241 to 251, 55. That we are well aware that all the Quranic verses are so dangerous to the society and the civil society, and the Quran is the epic center of the terrorism, rapes, and the killing of the non-Muslims in the name of the fallacy of the Allah by the self-proclaimed prophet or the greatest liar prophet, that is Muhammad bin Abdullah. So we will be through. We are beginning this video to with the curse to that Allah which is very very cruel and brutal, and curse to them who are following the Allah and his Quran, which is not sent by Allah but the Quran of Muhammad bin Abdullah. This is the fallacy that there is any Allah. So let come down to start the first verse of this video, that is 241 verses of the Quran, chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah. Reasonable provision must be made for diverse women, a duty on those mind of Allah. Reasonable provision for the diverse one. When a woman has no power to take divorce from the man, because in Islam woman has no power to divorce to her husband, she can only request for the divorce from her husband, that she want to be divorced with you. This is request, and the Arabic literally meaning the khula in the Arabic, that is the request in English, or the prarthana in Hindi. Next verse. This is now Allah makes his revelation clear to you, so perhaps you will understand. It is very wrong verses. Allah do not know the true revelation, because Allah does not know single ABCD of the Quran science. Allah does not know that there is no sky. Sky is the open space. But here Allah stated there are 7 skies. And above the 7 sky, I am living there. That is my house or dwelling. So Allah is not single ABCD knowing. He is stupid and foolish. Because this Allah was created by Muhammad, who was the certified stupid in respect of the to curb the human values or the civilization.